You kidding me? Well, son of a mug.
Two very boring minutes later.
Well, that's less than great.
1 hour later.
Tears on the top of the hose here. I would like to point out that this is absolutely not an approved use of this stuff. I'm just doing it as a stopgap until I can order new hose. So for the record, flex tape is not approved for use on gas, but that's not going to stop me at the moment. This is only temporary, but hey, it's not leaking. I'll go with that. Right, clearly we're in the Sambar. It's running. I'm trying to keep it in condition while I'm waiting for it to get registered and I can drive it on the street. Some other things that have to happen. I have to replace the tires, some other stuff, but it's pretty healthy.